It's been a while, and it's still not done. New cars, though. And a new shop space. With that, a rebranding. 2TR is the name that I decided to go with. And that stands for second time around. Second time around is in reference to cars that need a second chance at life, and also reference to parts from factory that need a second glance and a redesign. Going to be building cool shit and all sorts of different shit. Not just BMWs anymore, even though they're my favorite. Got an Audi now, and will be going American soon. I am, of course, ignoring the Z because that's my girlfriend's. It's not mine. I don't own anything Japanese. There's going to be some cool builds in here. I'm excited for it. I'm excited to finally finish this thing. There's a whole lot of stuff that I have planned. I know how to fabricate now. I'm going to put a lift in here. I'm going to have some crazy shit going on. I hope y'all enjoy. There'll be some videos posted soon.